Welcome back, fellow history and tech enthusiasts. In the first part of our journey, we uncovered how visionaries like Pascal, Babbage, and Turing laid the very foundation of modern computing. You're watching legendary anime tales, where we bring the stories of groundbreaking figures to life with a unique anime twist. Now I need to give shout out to other incredible early thinkers. Take Ada Lovelace, for example, a brilliant mathematician who worked with Charles Babbage. She's often considered the first computer programmer, recognizing the potential of Babbage's analytical engine to do more than just calculations, to compose music, for instance. Her notes on the machine included what's recognized as the first algorithm intended to be processed by a machine. Talk about a visionary. So, from mechanical marvels to the theoretical groundwork laid by giants like Turing and Lovelace, the stage was set. But the real revolution kicked in a high gear with the arrival of electricity. Get ready, because next up, we're diving into the electrifying era of the first electronic computers. And trust me, things are about to get a whole lot faster and a whole lot bigger. All right, hold on to your hats, because the game is about to change drastically. Forget gears and levers. The world of computing was about to be electrified. We're entering the era of the electronic giants. Picture this. World War II is raging, and the need for rapid calculations, for things like ballistics and code breaking, is critical. Enter ENIAC, the electronic numerical integrator and computer. Unveiled in 1946, this behemoth was a sight to behold. It filled an entire room, weighed over 30 tons, and contained a staggering 17,000 plus vacuum tubes. Imagine the heat it generated. It was a monumental achievement, a testament to human ingenuity driven by necessity. Following ENIAC came UNIVAC, the Universal Automatic Computer. This machine marked a significant shift. While ENIAC was primarily for scientific and military calculations, UNIVAC was designed with commercial applications in mind. It even famously, and somewhat surprisingly accurately, predicted the outcome of the 1952 U.S. presidential election. This showed the world that computers weren't just for labs anymore. They had the potential to impact everyday life. Now, amidst this whirlwind of groundbreaking hardware, a brilliant mind was shaping the very architecture of how computers would function for decades to come. John von Neumann. Von Neumann's key insight was the stored program concept. Before him, programs were often hardwired. Von Neumann proposed storing both the instructions, the program, and the data in the computer's memory. This might sound obvious now, but it was a revolutionary idea. Think of it like this. Instead of having a separate set of tools for every recipe, you have one kitchen, the computer, where you can store all your recipes, programs, and ingredients, data, and access them as needed. This made computers infinitely more flexible and programmable, a truly fundamental breakthrough. It's crucial to remember that these monumental achievements weren't the work of single individuals alone. Behind ENIAC, UNIVAC, and the development of these early architectures were entire teams of dedicated scientists, engineers, and mathematicians. They wrestled with complex problems, debugged temperamental vacuum tubes, and pushed the boundaries of what was thought possible. Their collaborative spirit and relentless effort laid the groundwork for everything that followed. We're telling the dawn of electronic computers. We've only scratched the surface of this extraordinary story that took us from Ada Lovelace algorithm to the von Neumann Computer Framework we are still studying in our university today. If you enjoyed the second chapter, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss the third part, where we'll dive deeper into the evolution of computing and see how the concepts we've just explored were crucial in the development of modern computers and the early days of AI. Let me know in the comments which of these pioneers stood out to you the most. And if you have any questions about what we've covered so far, I'll see you soon in the next episode, where we'll continue exploring this fascinating journey.